Hey boo, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip with a company we never worked with before. This box is jacked. Arabella hair. Y'all, when I say the box is jacked, the box is jacked. We have never, let's see if this hair jacked. Because y'all know how this goes with human hair. We'll work with a company if we like them. We'll work with them again. If they trash, we'll say they trash and we'll never check them out again, okay? We'll never hear from them. So, Arabella hair. Let's hope that the hair ain't like the box. All right, so in the box, not only did they have the wig, there's also some eyelashes in here. I got on very natural lashes today. I look kind of, they got eyelashes in here, another set of eyelashes in here. Same ones though. If I can get it out. Some wig caps. Well, that ain't the wig caps. A scarf. Some wig caps and an edge brush. All right, maybe that'll make up for that jacked box. All right, so on the wig, all it says is 20 inch, okay? But that looks like a body wave in there. So let me take it off the pack so we can see, sis. You know, I shouldn't be stuck on that box, but I was like, I yelped out in pain. Oh! All right, y'all, this is gonna be simple enough because this is a 4x4, it looks like. Pretty body wave. In the cap construction, you get a comb in the back and adjustable straps. And then in the front, you get 3 combs, one here to the right, one to the left, and one up there at the crown. And you get this pre-sewn in band. This is going to be super simple because you only have that 4x4 parting space, which means you don't have to glue, you don't have to tack down, you ain't gotta do any of that. This is gonna be very easy, and this is my favorite cap construction on a human hair wig. So let's cut out this little bitty lace, plop this on our head, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Young guys. Y'all, how simple is that? Because this is a 4x4 and this is a loose wave one, not a body wave. All I had to do was really put it on my head, and this is what we got. You don't have to really curl this because of the curl pattern. I mean, I ain't have to do nothing to it. So if you're looking for some easy throw on and go hair, do I recommend this one? Heck yeah. The thing is, I have this wig in a straight, I have it in a loose wave, I have it in a body wave, I have it in a jerry curl, because these are the throw on and go versions of these wigs, or of human hair wigs. This company also sells it in these other patterns, and what I like the most about this 4x4, I'm gonna be honest, not only is the ease, is the price point. This is where you're gonna get some bang for your buck. Just know that you're only gonna be able to part it in that area that I showed you. So I just kept it in the middle, but you could part it over here to the right. You could come over here and part it towards the left. So I love a 4x4? Yes. I think it's the way to go. Because like I said, I ain't gonna do all that extra. So can I recommend them? Yes, for this wig, but this is a pretty easy wig. It would have been hard to mess this one up. So let's rock with them one more time to see if we're gonna keep them in the rotation. Because it is some gorgeous hair, it is some soft hair. Hey, of course, it's, again, straight out of the pack, so I ain't getting no shit, no tangle. If you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig, the details on this wig. You should see a coupon code down there too, sus. Like I would say, maybe you ain't even into wigs. Maybe it's your cousin Devin. Maybe it's your Uncle Devin. Whichever one, send them my way. And we'll see if Arabella here get them right. For this one, we will get them right. Let's work with them one more time, though, before we set them in stone. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.